My name is Kushi. My name is Gnanapriya. My name is Arushi. I am studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka. Puyampu, Dada Bendre, Shivarankaram, Vasi Venkateswara, D.K. Gokap, Vyaranathamurti, Virish Kana, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odissi. Satriya, Assam, Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dania, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Dharmadam, Periyar, Tamarabarali, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals. January 26, Republic Day. August 15, Independence Day. September 5th, Teachers Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14th, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gomatekan, Karnataka, Taj Mahal, Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Kottayam in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Atharvaveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Mudra Upanishads.
10 Mudra Upanishads, Ishavasya Upanishads, Kanna Upanishads, Katha Upanishads, Prashna Upanishads, Mundaka Upanishads, Mandukya Upanishads, Aitharya Upanishads, Taittiriya Upanishads, Chandogya Upanishads, Ruhadarandaka Upanishads.
Dashatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dataruttara Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Purna, Varaha, Narasimha, Varmana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh.
capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Chandravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Karachi, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Shimla, Rajkot, Jhansi, Srinagar, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kolkata.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Ballari, Vigan, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru, Chamarajanagar, Chikkagalpura, Chikkaturga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hassan, Haveri, Tirupati, Gadagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Namanagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Udupi, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Akiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mahara, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Bharatanatyam. Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safari, Sujata Kirpalini, Rani Channamma, Taladi Channamma, Odake Opappa, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Guda, Gokri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Bengali, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepalan, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar month.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Agada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina,